So the domain, again, going from left to right, we start at -3. There's a definite bracket on -3. And then we go all the way over to, and it looks like we go beyond 3, and we keep on going out here, out to infinity. Again, we always have parentheses on infinities and negative infinities. For the range, we look at the y-axis. What's the lowest value? So here we're at -3, but there's no graph here. There's none here at -2, none here at -1, but right here at 0, we've got graph. So we're starting at 0, and then up as high as, looks like 2. Oh, but wait, there's an arrow. So this means it keeps on going up. So not just at 2, because we still have graph here at 3. And in fact, this is still going to keep on going up to positive infinity. For the domain of the next one, let's take a look at this one. From left to right, it looks like maybe it stops here, or has a starting point at -1, but the arrow keeps on indicating that's going to keep on going down and out. So I can't just draw a line here like a dashed line and say, okay, here's the starting point. Because if I did, it's going to keep on creeping out beyond that. So the starting point is going to be somewhere clear way out here at negative infinity. Again, parentheses always on infinities and negative infinities. And then how far over do we go? Well, again, it looks like, well, maybe it stops at 5, but if I drew a line here at 5 indicating that it stops here, that arrow is going to keep on creeping out beyond the number 5. It's going to go to positive infinity. So even if I, said, well, it's going to stop here at 6, and I put a dashed line here, it's going to cross that at some point way down there. So it's going to keep on going out to infinity. Remember the domain, we look at the x-axis. For the range, we go from bottom to top. Notice these had arrows on them, so the lowest y value is going to be somewhere way down here at negative infinity. But the highest y value, again looking at the y-axis here, is going to be at 1. We have a definite stop at 1. So we put a bracket on the number 1.